Today. Okay. Hi, good morning guys. Last day, a few hours before we check out, but it could not be complete without trying out the pool and dipping in together with the boy. Kay mo man ni atong gento diri. This is his birthday bash treat. So kompleto na nato. Yesterday, pasensya kayo, we were not able to go to our intended plan to visit the beach resorts here in Davao City, such as the Pearl Farm, and also what else? Pearl Farm, yeah, the resorts that we have in in Samal Island, and also the beach island. Yeah, the private island resort of Dusitani, which is in Lubi, in Pindasan, here in Davao area. So, daghan taghimo because of some business. Wait sana, because of some business that we have to attend to. So, muna reason. What ka? Wala na tanong kaya na yung mga priorities yun nga very important, so we have to make it, and kani mga uban nato nga mga activities for travel mas lalo pa nato mahimo once nga ma-accomplish na siya. Itong business nga meeting kagahapon was very successful, and that is para gyapon na siya sa atong travel. So resume ta karon, we'd like to experience what Dusitani pool has for the children and for adults as well. So come with me. Ato ning lingaw-lingaw atong kaugalingon just a few hours before checkout. This is our second time actually here in Dusitani. But we have not really maxed out our experiences and our stay here because of some other businesses that we have to attend. So, yan na itong pool. I'll try this out. Knock here on the other side. So, I'm with my boy. So, muna ilahang pool diri. Hindi magid pwede ka mangyod. Ang atong baby boy, oh. Say hi to the camera, anak. Say hi to everyone. Okay, very good. So then, pwede ka makapamahaw. Pwede po to the left na sila'y dito ang ilahang restaurant. Kinidiri sa to, extension ni siya. So, we'll go there. Knock, knock, knock. Knock, knock. Knock. We'll ask for towel pa din ako. Sir. So you have to mag-register ta sa no? Mag-register ta. So, knock, knock, knock. You wait, knock. So, dili ka, dili sir, dili siya ka-occupant, dili ka pwede kagamit sa pool? Exclusive again for guests, magid siya. Okay.
Pwede man tamo, sir, pero, mga bisita, pero natay room, pwede na magbayad.
Okay. Pila ang bayad sa bisita, sir?
500 per head ang sir. Isa ka tao sa buo.
Oh, okay.
Side na sa baba, sir.
Okay. So kani siya, waiver ni siya sir, no?
Yes sir.
Para sa safety po o sa consent maligo ta.
Kailangan ko rin mo sir, record every day ba?
Ana good.
Na-check ko rin nila.
Ana good. So
Good.
yeah ta. You have to sign a waiver pag mo ligo ka. And then kung non-occupant ka diri, and if you have visitors, ako lang sunod diri sir kay para sa iyo sama mo. So, thank you guys sir. If non-occupant ka, pwede makakaligo, pero you have to be accompanied by a guest of the hotel, and you have to pay for 500 pesos. Wait nak. Yes, we don't have a chair. We'll look for a chair. Oh,
Dad, I don't need this.
ay, oh. Ha? Adria, pwede? Come here na ka. Wait. So, wala bakante. Okay. Itong chair dali. Because there is no vacant there na in front.
You're gonna have the swim?
Yeah. Daddy will just take out the something. Okay.
So let's go.
Okay. Guys, pasensya. Okay. Wala na yung chair na available dito. Or we can just bring it there. Nako. Sa kilid. Okay. I'll show you guys. Niyata. Wait na ka. I'll just put this one here. Sige, you swim with them na. Okay. So, guys, atong pagbigyan ang atong palangga nga anak. Tapos swim. So, morning ang ilahang pool din eh. And, pwede ka kadala sa imo mga friends if you are an occupant. Invite them if you are in Davao. If your friends are here in Davao, and then mag-chill diri sa pool. So that's 500 pesos per non-guest nga mo uban o kanang swimming para maka-enjoy uban sa imo. Okay. Pero it's also free for everyone who are guests here in the hotel. So munay naa din eh. So the kids are having fun and enjoying. So we are already, this is the last day that we have in Davao. So swim lang sa ta. Swim lang sa ta. Swim ta uban kung bata. Na-enjoy good siya. Say hi to all of followers and watchers and viewers. So nata sa bisitan ni and we'll be checking out today. So dris kilid na sila koi pond na yung mga isda. And then pag magabi this is a fountain na with lights. Mag-enjoy ka. So, appeal po niya ang pool, mag-light up po niya siya magabi. And they have fountain also. So, many chill lang. So, we'd like to thank you guys for supporting us sa atong mga vlogs na to, post na to sa atong Facebook. Because we're starting up to grow community. Once nga ready na ang atong mga products for travel, you can avail sa atong booking sa atong website and as well as direct booking sa atong Facebook. So just watch out for that because you will greatly benefit sa atong mga travels. So we're preparing everything para mas masayon sa ato. Kanya kita mismo gyud, we are doing the travels ourselves para ma-ensure sa tanan na kaning atong mga recommendations are really good. So we're trying out the pool right now while my kid is swimming. So na sila chairs nga nakadip po din sa pool, so you can just chill in here and then mag sunbathing if the sun is out. Now it is cloudy, okay lang. And then kung ang imong accommodation diri pod siya sa poolside view, mas maayo po, di ba? Pang Instagram. Ano. Kaya akong istoryahan sa si sir. Okay lang sir, mabiyahan ako ang bata. Diarang ko sa Pikas. Okay lang?
Balikan lang, sir.
Oo, balikan lang ako. Pero naman ka, magtanaw sila. Diya lang ko. Okay. Thank you ha. So atong gihang yung ang atong lifeguard to check on the kids while I go deep, have a dip. Kalalum. So how deep is the pool? Wow! Oh, it's so deep. So it's around 4 feet, no? 4 feet ang kalalom sa ilahang pool, and it's so good. Wow! So I'm out here enjoying. So this is the view here. Ano na siya? Wow! It's so good. So guys, if you're in Davao, check this location or check this accommodation. They have good food, nice ambience, nice accommodation. Medyo layo siya sa crowd. So, mao na imong benefit nga makuha diri in this kind of accommodation. If you have questions regarding or inquiries about this type of accommodation, you ask me. This is located somewhere in Lanang area, and this accommodation is good for people who want to have isolation from the crowd and from the noise of the city. Kaya naa siya pasulod nga road. It's just mga 200 meters siguro away from the main road. Hello Kasi Corazon, shout out sa imo diha. Wala man ka nag-appeal diri o ligo. So shout out diha sa imo. And shout out sa tanan nato mga followers, viewers nato. Thank you so much sa pag-consume sa atong content. So we are currently in Dusitani in Davao City. So if ever you plan to have a vacation in Davao, you check this accommodation because this might be good for you. What are the things that are good about this place? Again, is isolated siya from the main road, so layo siya sa mga saba. And then it has a pool. Maayo ang food, maayo po ang accommodation. Let me show you around what you have. Knock. This one is deep here. Okay?
I'm a lot this. What is that? Can I borrow goggles?
So like that. Nak, do you have your goggles, Nak?
I just borrowed.
Oh, come here. Oh, come here, Nak. Come here, Nak. Oh, come to daddy. Come to daddy. You will just float. Wait. Come here. Oh, come na. No, it's okay. Come here na. You will just float. Oh, come here na.
I'm the end.
Oh, you sit down. You sit down. Oh, you sit. You sit na. Oh, daddy will give. Oh, sige na. See, you're floating. Just like by in Camiguin.
Go! On the floater, go! On the machine! The machine, go! Fire, go! Yeah! Fire! Ooh, I'm turning the back!
Hi to everyone. Say hi to the vlog.
Guys!
You float yourself. Just like by in Camiguin.
Woo!
Diba you're doing it yourself?
No, Dad, I'm going to lose my slippers!
It's okay, I'll get it for you.
My Just
Go! Oh, your friend is here. See, you float. You float, you can float.
Good, go there.
Oh, you go there.
Go.
Even without holding daddy, you can go there. Diba? You did it, diba?
Yeah. Oh no.
See? Oh, your friend knows how to swim. You look. So, he can float. Look at that.
Let Papa teach me.
Yeah, your papa teaches. That's good. See, you float. Oh, you can do it yourself, you see? Oh, let's go, daddy.
We're gonna go upside down. I can't do this. See you later. Well, I gotta go. I need to go.
Where do you want to go?
I...
To the side? You cannot swim there. You cannot float.
There you go. I landed.
So, man na siya. Isolated na siyang lugar. So, medyo, calm siya. I think the accommodation, if you ask me, kung pila ang accommodation dire, I think the accommodation starts at 8,000 going up. So you just check the website for how much would be the accommodation is worth per night. And of course, kung family ka, depende po sa type of accommodation ng imuhang kuahon. So naman siguro na sila ay deluxe, na sila ay katong ilang premium or suite type. So depende na ay bathtub na accommodation na ay katong shower lang. So whichever is your preference or ang imuhang requirements. So motong room ni mo ay pilihan. But anyhow, the amenities are really so good. There's nothing I can say about it. Kung naay mga missing sa iyahang room, as I have observed, kailangan lang nimo siya i-request. Pero ang tanan nga mga basic is well provided naman siya. So if you need extra pillows, you just have to check first the cabinet. Kay duha man ka beds ang among accommodation nga gihatag. So 2 double beds. Unya na ang bata. So definitely kailangan ka o kanang extra pillows. So I called the front desk, nakutana ko sila, but good enough. Naana din sila extra pillows sa ilahang cabinet. So, gingnan niya nga, sir, check the cabinet, sir, ka na ang extra pillows niya. So, good enough na ang extra pillows. Na extra pillows dito. But if you need some more, you can still ask for more. See, it's good that you're floating, right? You practice your kick na. You practice kicking. Say hi to everyone. Say hi to the vlog. You have new friends? Gliding? Your chest gliding? Yes, see?
See you later, alligator. I'm going to the other side of the deep end.
You're like a fish.
I'm a fish, bro.
You're swimming like a fish. So, din sa kilid niya is the main lounge. You can see that's the main lounge.
And your engine, bro.
See, you will enjoy once you are far out in the deep water because you will know how to float.
Just float like you would.
Yeah.
I'm sinking. I'm sinking. I'm just joking. Grab my feet, bro. Slippers in the boat.
You can put your slippers there, nako.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Can you do that? You can.
I may go with Godzilla. Like Fargo. Mega Godzilla.
So, thank God kay sa atong kabisi na to, no, sa atong stress, naka way out gyud ta, naka diskanso gyud ta gamay. sa mga gusto diya nga mag-travel, just let me know. If you need a travel guide, I'll be out here to accompany you. I'll be here to as your travel guide. Come here, nak. You swim to daddy. You glide towards daddy. You will just float. You don't worry that. You will just float.
Give me some power! I need just some power.
It's good out here. It's good out here in the deep because you will, yes, you will enjoy. See?
It's like I'm just.
See?
Oh, I don't think. I'll just go there.
Just relax.
Okay, you there.
Hindi pa kayo balo maglangoy ang bata. Do you want to have some swimming lessons na?
I just run to. I'm literally running. I just run to there. I just run like my food. No, I can't do this. Possible. You know what is that? Nose or mouth? Nose or mouth? Nose and mouth. I just want nose. I got correct. You got
Hello.
nose. I think. So you're that.
Yeah. Hello kids.
You're not
Hi.
that. Not or nose. Not or nose. No. I'm going to deep one. Ocean.
See, you do it yourself. You can do it. Daddy will just be close by you, beside you. See? That's better, right? So you can play. Just relax, nak. Just take it easy. Good. You did it. You come to daddy. You come to daddy. This is fun. It's fun, right? It's fun, right?
3, 2, 1, go. You're not an animal. He's not an animal, right? I told you, you are not an animal.
Come here, nak.
And I can do that. I can swim. Like you can.
Come here, nak. Come on, float. Just right here. Just glide. Yeah, just like that. Okay, you practice. Just easy. Just easy. See? There.
I'm an integral. I can be like a human being robot. Boat. I can do 25 miles. I can do. I'm a boat, bro. Smooth, bro. I'm a pancake, bro. I can go here to there. Whoa. Show me. Okay. I go easy. Go. That's it.
So, yeah. You will learn how to swim soon. Okay? You will learn how to
That's
swim.
it.
You want to go there? You can do it. You can do it. You have a floater. So, just don't kick fast, nak. Just slow. And then you do like nak. You do like that though with your hand. You do like that with your hand. So it's just like
You go
rowing.
there ahead of me.
Okay. Come here. Okay.
Let's go.
Sige na. Go na. Just kick slowly. Just kick slowly, nak. You will just float. See? Oh, and then you do like that, oh. It's just like a paddle, ba? Yeah.
Paddle.
Yeah. See?
I'm hitting now, okay?
Even if you stop kicking, nak, you're still float. Stop kicking. Stop kicking. Stop kicking. Look. You stop. See? See? You're just floating. Oh, see? You do like that, oh, with your hand.
I'm going there, Okay?
Okay, you do it.
See you later.
Okay, you do it. See, even if you stop leaking, you will just float. So na sila 4 feet. Dito sa Pikas, I think mga 8 feet siguro dito. 4 to...
I'm reaching. I'm almost.
So ang ilang pool size is also good kay dako man po. Dako. So you can bring in your family. Madala nimo imong family and then enjoy here with your kids.
I'm going there again.
Maka-chill out mo sa kilid sa pool. And then napod sila poolside bar dito sa Pikas. And then pwede ka ka-order of drinks dito sa imo. And then if you have snacks na sa imo mo balingones, then you can also do that and enjoy.
Oh, I see.
Napod sila yung lifeguard, so okay lang. Medyo dagom-dagom karon ang klima o ang panahon sa Davao. Come here, ma. Knock. Don't stay there on the side. You will not enjoy swimming.
There's another pool there.
Yeah, it's deeper. Is it deeper?
Same size.
Same size? Oh, okay.
Like same length.
Oh, okay. Left also.
There.
Don't kick too hard
It's
now.
a different structure, but it's same length.
The same, just same length and depth also. How old are you? Oh, that's good. Grade 6. You're just here in Davao? You're just from here?
I'm from Davao.
Oh, okay, very good.
Where are you guys
From Bukidnon, quite far. So I'm making friends with kids that are here. They're just from Davao. Yeah, nag-chill out sila together with the family. So, diba, nindot kayo? Chill pag na-item. Come here, nak. Dive kami here. Don't kick too hard because you'll just float. You'll just float. See? So it's easy. So it will not be very tiring for you, right? Say hi to the vlog, nak. Say hi to the vlog.
And I take off my...
Say hi to your mom. Mommy is watching.
Hi, Mom. What's my mom?
Mom, bring some goggles.
Yes,
So,
sorry.
are you in school? What's your grade? 6. Your grade 6. Oh,
Turning grade 7.
grade 7 na. Next year.
December.
Oh, December. That's your moving up time, December.
I actually, not December, summer break, mga ano, maybe next year's
Oh, okay.
February
February.
or May. Kaya tagal yung ano, moving out.
Moving up. Oh. What school? Yeah?
Sa Montessori school.
Montessori. That's good. So, munang nindot po sa travel kay makamit ka og friends. Mga bagong mga friends. Good ones. Hi to everyone that's watching our travel content, our travel vlog. We're exploring Davao City and with my child, with my family. And we're here at Lusitani.
So you are here to visit Davao? So you are here to visit Davao?
Yeah.
What? How is that?
Yeah, great. Good food, great.
In the water?
Quite a lot. Quite a lot already.
This water
Yeah? Yeah. Also in Dusit Tani in Cebu.
Ay, doon sa Cebu. Sarap doon.
Sa Mactan. No? Ay. So this is the view of Dusit Tani from the pool. Okay. So muna nasa yung residences of hotel accommodations. So muna. That is the main lobby where you check in. Dito ang restaurant sa babaan na restaurant. Kunya kanidinhi is the gym area diya sa corner o ang ilahang spa. So magpamassage ka diha ka mo adto. Not so much, but it's alright.
I mean, you don't really get famous once you start.
Yeah, that's true. Sir, are you watching a lot of vlogs?
Sometimes. Usually I only watch 3.
Oh.
2, 1, go!
I'm promoting travel in the Philippines. That's why.
I can do double.
So I'm filming
Go here.
my travel, just like you know.
Oh wait, so does that mean you go to other countries?
Yeah, yeah.
How many countries did you go to?
Just a few for now.
Other countries.
Asian and New Zealand. You like to travel too?
I'd like to, but we don't really get time because I have some practice and then really school stuff.
Yeah, school stuff.
Then my sister has
Oh, yeah.
she's in like I can do walks.
Maybe when you graduate, there's a time you can go around. Kalinga sa mga bata. Nak, swim nak.
Oh, he's double.
Come here, nak. Come here, nak. Nak, come here, nak. No, Naka. Come here na, swim here. Swim coming here. Just relax. Just relax your legs.
I'm following you.
Ah,
I can do that without my hands.
yeah. So you just exercise and practice your legs, kicking, okay? I'm starting to feel cold, Nak.
No, I'm not.
Huh?
No.
I might go ahead of you. You're still good?
Yeah, I'm still good.
You still want?
Stop you.
Maybe.
A turn. You can go ahead of me. You
What's that, Nak? A secret pool?
Yeah. Secret entrance. We're going there. Let's wait. No way.
Come here.
No way.
Come here.
Did you have
6 years old.
friends?
He
Oh,
just
no
turned 6.
way. Seriously.
August 25.
That's it. Going there. Oh! Did you get that entrance there? Seriously? Holy moly! Oh, wala. We're going there. Oh! Are you gonna do a jump? No.
Just stay here, Nak, in the water.
Whoa!
Nak, just stay here in the water. Nak, that's your kuya, Nako. Kuya Zian? Zian. He is Alex. Alex. Say hi to Kuya Zian. Don't go up, Nak. Just stay here.
Sian, kuya.
Zian.
Kay ex mga
So Kuya Zian.
How about you put Z?
Is that thunder?
It's hard to spell that with Z.
Kuya Zian knows how to swim now without the life vest. Soon you will know all those.
Is it? What is her dad facing to? I don't know. I'll just go there. Where
Okay.
is he?
Come here na.
Where?
Go swim in the middle.
Let's put me in the middle, bro. Yeah, I got some
Your friend is still eating, Nak. Your friend is still eating.
I just got some trash.
You put it on the side, Nak. Put the trash on the side. So sleepy. Starting to get cold, guys.
It is cold.
Really cold.
I'm gonna
It's like
I'm gonna
marching.
shiver like a whole ice once I reach my room.
You're gonna dig a hole, seriously.
I shivered the whole night sleeping.
Oh,
Aircon is wild.
there's a control there beside the entrance of the bathroom. There's a control there.
Yeah.
You can change the setting.
I have
I
no
shivered
idea
half
what
of the night. I found out the controls.
Oh, okay.
Oops, that hurt.
Same thing with us because I thought there was no control. So I looked around.
What floor are you guys?
3. How about you?
Yeah.
5. Here. 1, 2, 3. Ano? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Does your balcony view
The pool? No.
outside?
Yeah, outside. Yours also? The first time we were here, it's facing the pool. It was cool.
Same.
Because I think there.
We got to peek over the.
And it's good to see at night, right?
Yeah, it's good to see the shops
The shops
or restaurants.
and the lights.
The
Very
lights.
nice.
Whenever it's like night, I get to see the lights. It's nice.
Yeah. It's cold. Bugno na. Nak, are you feeling cold na, Nak?
No, I'm not.
You'd be more cold if you were to jump in the kiddie pool.
Oh, really?
I'll do jump.
This one here is low water. There is big water.
Oh.
I'll jump and then.
Ito malangit, bro.
What? I'll jump.
time is it?
Hey, look at my hands. It's rough.
It's 10:20.
Daddy, look at my
10:20.
hands. It's rough.
Huh?
It's not because
Ah.
it's 10:30 because at 11 we're going to
Okay.
start last day.
Yeah, mine is.
Is this your last day here?
Yeah.
What's your check-out?
Same time. 12.
12.
12, yeah.
12.
Ours is 11.
11. Oh, okay.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
Ask Alex if you can type it.
Okay. Come here, Nak. Kuya Zian has something is going to do something. He's going to dive. Come here, Nak.
Is he going to die?
Come here, Nak.
So that was perfect for isolation.
I'm so sharp.
Yeah.
Yeah, at least your wife might be.
Yeah.
Wi-Fi. Still Wi-Fi.
The room service is actually pretty nice. Have you tried parking yet?
Yeah, downstairs.
The parking there is
The park-in here in Radisson. The back of SM. Yeah.
sarap yung ano no, yung
Yeah. Colorful.
colorful. Ugna pa doon.
But they haven't tried their pool. But they have only a small.
We tried their pool, but the edges are rough. These
Rough.
are what I got from the ano pool.
Oh, you get scratches.
Dili man sakit.
But it's just a small pool, right?
Not really. It's kind of like the same size as this, but
Yeah.
two stages.
Uh-huh.
It's like the same size of this pool, but at those edges there, it's just a whole cut. And
Okay.
then the kiddie pool's right over there.
The other side.
It's pretty relaxing.
Oh,
Perfect for ano, swimming.
that's the time I missed that one.
How many days did you go to St. Patrick?
I think 2 nights and 3
Three
days.
nights.
2 nights.
We got 3 nights. Let's drive.
What are you doing now?
Look at the light because here, because then everywhere is now.
Ducks.
Careful na ka, careful na ka.
I'm going to see those.
Careful na.
Matay na duck.
Fish?
There's a rat that's
Oh, the rat. Oh, that's so bad. That's really dirty.
bit down.
I hope the water doesn't come back here.
Since the water is.
Yeah, it doesn't look better. I guess so.
Atong is sulti sila.
Okay, that's a good idea. I'm gonna just.
Come on na. Swim here.
Manos.
My nose. What nose?
Come here, son.
Nose is a nose. My nose is a nose.
Wait, whoa.
I'm just bending my.
The service here is perfect, but just comes in. Parking for pretty much
This crazy.
Do you like the food in parking?
Nothing.
Do you like the food in parking?
Yes. We didn't get to try food in parking only. Sarap man din.
Masarap dito, di ba?
Food service here.
Food service.
Say, what time na? I have to go by 10:30.
That's 10:25. You got 5 minutes more. We have to go also not because we have to check out.
What time do you guys?
Today?
Yeah, mga 11 siguro. Yeah. Oh, you're running? Are you a running man underwater? Oh, look at yourself. Look at yourself.
Look at me.
You're a running man. The running man.
I'm just imagining.
You're running?
I'm just doing like this. Yes, yan. Yes, yan. Yeah. I'm gonna go now.
Why? Huh? Hold on.
It's time for us to go, Nanak.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I'll run. I'll run. I run. I run. I run.
How many viewers?
I don't know so much, but it doesn't indicate now.
Just like walking.
Time for us to go. Time for us to go.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Nice to meet you, Dian. Ah. 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 Here. No, no, no. It's not yours. Here. It's ours. The water. Just wait for Daddy. Yeah, may vlog biyahe tayo. You look for this? This? The guy? This one. Because there's a lot of people there. Let's biyahe tayo.
My name is
Siyan.
my name is if you see my name with
Yeah. Nice to see you. Yeah. Have a good day.
they say there's something
What is that?
the area. They say there's something.
Later na, ha? We'll return the towels and then we'll go upstairs. Okay?
How about watch TV?
Yeah, you can watch TV also. So you guys, that was our full experience with the kid. Kay dili gid pwede nga mulakaw nga dili mo swim. Kay murag makasala kita. Nak, come here. Careful. We'll return the towels, okay?
I know. I just have to wait for my
Bye-bye, Sian. See you.
I can go to the room.
Nak, you return the towel. You return the towel, Nak. Thank you, sir. So that was fun. Yes. Sir. Yeah, they're closing. Breakfast is over. We have to prepare our key card.
But tomorrow,
Morning. Morning, sir. Naay patay nga ilaga sa inyohang ano? Kasi kanang drain dito sa pool.
This lady. Down.
Yeah. Sa drain sa pool na patay nga ilaga. Oh. Pili siguro na healthy.
Check mo, sir.
Oh. Here we go.
2, 3.
3. Okay, we're going up, guys. So we'll just pack up, we'll just dry up, change clothes. But of course, before that shower was up. Whoa. Wow. Oh.
It's cold here, right?
Yeah, so cold because of the aircon. Because of the AC. Okay.
Mom.
Turn off the AC. Whoa. Turn off the AC, mommy.
I have a shower.
Whoa, it's so cold. It's so cold.
You have like
So guys, that was the end of our pool experience here at Dusit Thani. This is the second time that we are here, but unfortunately so we didn't have the room that's facing the pool. It would be good when you are checking in, you have to make sure when you make the reservation to book you a room that is that has a pool view. However, sa karon nga pag check-in nato is daghan kayo ang guest nila it's fully booked because there was an event. So na-late po tanong kay gabi na kayo nga nag-check-in and whatever room is left muna to na ano sa to, so we didn't have the pool view. But anyhow, thank you very much for watching and consuming our travel content. These are real travel experiences that we are showing to you, that I'm filming. That is for your future travel reference once you make a decision to come over to Davao. So this is one of the hotels that I can highly recommend to you. They have good food, they have nice rooms, and they have good nice accommodation from the staff. The staff are so accommodating. So you check this out. So I'll see you around later. We'll see if we can pass by some fruit stands and then show you the pomelos and durians that they have over Davao. So thank you and see you again later. Bye bye.